How to add picture to post on Reddit. Let's get started. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Reddit. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Reddit. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Click on the option of create post. Now from here, you are able to add picture to post on Reddit. First up, you can give a title, like we select community. Once you have selected the community and set the title, now you can click on this picture icon. Make sure you select the community that allows picture, as some communities does not allow the picture. Now click on this picture icon, select the pictures that you want to upload, then click on next. Now you can add tags, and once you are done, you can post it. So this way you are able to add picture to post on Reddit. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.